Meanwhile, the Secretary of National Defense remains skeptical of China's willingness to give its stamp of approval that will pave the way for a nuclear weapon-free region. Our Patrick De Jesus has the full details.
To see is to believe. This was the response of Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro on China's supposed willingness to be among the signatories of the Southeast Asia Nuclear Weapon-Free Zone Treaty. The Chinese Foreign Ministry also stated that they themselves would take the lead in signing the protocol of the said agreement on the non-use of nuclear weapons in Southeast Asia and would coordinate with ASEAN countries accordingly. But Teodoro responded, China still has a lot to prove, being one of the countries with a nuclear arsenal.
Magpa-inspeksyon sila sa IAEA at multinational inspectors, no? Para makita natin kung talagang sincero sila. Paano sila magte-take the lead? Tignan muna natin, magpa-inspeksyon muna sila. To see is to believe.
The Secretary added, there is a huge trust deficit toward China due to its repeated acts of harassment in the West Philippine Sea.
Itong mga inisyatibo nila na willing to take the lead, maging mediator, pakitang tao lang ito kung wala silang good faith na ipapakita. Kasi sa ngayon, malaki ang deficit of trust and credibility nila. Malaki ang pagkukulang ng tiwala sa kanila. Hindi lamang ng Pilipino, kung hindi sa buong mundo.
Globally, the 5 recognized nuclear weapon states include Russia, the United States, China, France, and the United Kingdom, although there are other countries said to possess similar capabilities. Meanwhile, although it is within China's rights to impose a ban on former Senator Francis Tolentino, Teodoro asserted that he did nothing wrong in advocating for the country's rights and sovereignty. He also said he wouldn't care if China imposed the same kind of sanction on him next.
Ibig sabihin may tinatago talaga sila, nasaktan sila dahil natumbok ang maling gawain nila. Mabuti nga kung sakasakali, assuming pupunta si Senator Tolentino doon, nasa tamang paraan. Hindi katulad nila na maraming undocumented dito. At tayo, marami tayong na-uncover na mga illegal na practice nila.
Tolentino is the author of the laws that established the Philippine Maritime Zones Act and the Philippine Archipelagic Sea Lanes Act. He also revealed during a Senate hearing that China's embassy allegedly used trolls for a disinformation campaign against the Philippines. The former senator had earlier said that being banned by China is a badge of honor to him and that he will continue to stand firm in defending the country's interests. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.